Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Learn series on building a website with Portfoliobox. In this video, we're exploring the drag and drop feature, a quick and flexible way to move and arrange elements on your page exactly how you want them. Let's get started. First, click the pen icon next to an element, then choose Drag and Drop. Click Activate to turn it on. We'll begin by resizing the photo to make it smaller. Next, let's move the About heading and the text below it to a new position. Now we'll add a new element. Click Add Element at the top left corner. We'll add social media links and arrange them in the right spot for our layout. Let's also add a heading too. This will be our contact section. We'll drag it into place where we want it to appear, and then add another element. We'll add a text block. Once everything is positioned just right, we'll click Save to lock in the changes. Now it's time to edit the content. We double-click the heading to change the text, and do the same for the paragraph to add our contact details. For styling, click the pen icon next to the heading, choose Styles, and align it to the left. We'll repeat the process for the social media links, choosing to display them as icons instead of text. And that's it! We've just customized our page layout using drag and drop, giving us full control over where our content appears.